Grew up on the countryside of town.
Yo, what's up, y'all? So I just got a package in. I got the oil pan right here, and this oil pan come with the pickup tube, the gasket, and all the bolts and stuff. I had to buy this dipstick and pickup tube, not pickup tube. What's this shit called? Dipstick and yeah, the dipstick and the tube. I had to buy this separately. It was like $20 for each one, so it was $40 for the dipstick and the reader. Damn, girl. Alright, but this oil pan, this is important for me because y'all know my car is lowered, right? So this oil pan is shorter than the muscle car oil pan. With the muscle car oil pan, it'll still hang below the frame, and you could potentially like still damage your oil pan if you hit like a rock or something, or you just catch something that's too low. So this oil pan is lower, and it should have a good fitment. Shout out to Bravo's Garage, because his box Caprice build is where I got a lot of the inspiration for doing my build. Like the lowering stance, I think he used iBox springs. I used Hotchkiss springs instead of iBox. But other than that, like a lot of the shit that I'm doing is inspired by him. Like the wheels. But anyway, man, the LS, back to the LS swap. Yeah, I got this stuff. I wish I would have got this earlier, but like I said, it got delayed with the shipping because of the snow. And I only rented the cherry picker from Saturday to Monday, and this came Monday afternoon, so I had to bring the cherry picker back Monday morning, so I'm gonna have to go rent another one. And oh yeah, I got the mounts too. I got the mounts. So I'm gonna try to put this 2 inches forward. That way I have a little space behind the engine to plug up the ground and all that, because it was a bitch getting it out of the truck, I ain't gonna lie. Shit was damn near touching the firewall, and I had to put my hands back there, and I got big hands too, like, yeah. Also, y'all, the name of the company that I bought this oil pan from is called Deep Motor. And as y'all can see, I got it for a crazy cheap price, $229. I think the other company that sell them is Poor Man's Motorsports or something like that, and I think they sell theirs for like $275 or something like that, close to $300. So this was the cheapest price that I could find on this. Let me take it to that page. Yeah, this is the cheapest price I could find on this. Focus. Deep Mo 64. Like I said, Deep Motor, and this is key right here. Oil pan depth. Oil pan depth. That's the key right there. The LS1, the muscle car oil pan, it hang lower than that, way lower than that. I can't remember how much, but I know it's much lower than that, and it hang too far below the frame, and I don't want the shit to hit nothing. See that, YouTube? I almost started a little action without y'all, man. I'm gonna take y'all along for the ride though. What I'm doing now is cleaning up this engine bay. Bro, I don't know what the hell this is. Y'all comment if y'all know what this is, but I'm about to remove this shit. It run to a line right here, this right here, and it run beside the brake line, so I thought it run right along with the brake line, I mean. At first I thought maybe it was something connected to the brakes, but no, it don't seem like fluid was in there. It was vacuum running to it, and it run to the back. I would trace it, but the car too low in the back, so I can't get up under there, and I don't feel like putting a lift under it. I'm sure I'll figure it out if it's vital. But I'm gonna remove all of this shit, and the wires, I ain't gonna cut none of the wires. What I'm gonna do is all the wires that I don't use, I'm gonna tuck them. I'm gonna hide them as best I can. I want to try to clean up this engine. I'm gonna pull this out too. This is this look like it's for the return spring. I think this was the return spring. if I can see. But whatever it is, it was hooked to the TVI, so I know I won't need it. So I'm gonna put this out too. I want to remove as much of this stuff as I can, man. Yeah, first I'm gonna just get the knick-knack stuff that I know for sure I don't need, and then later on when it comes to the wiring, I might have to wait until I put the motor in the car before I can figure out what I need and what I don't need. I know some of this over here is gonna be AC stuff. Shout out to Mr. Griffin, he put a good video up on the AC. I'm gonna be keeping my R4 compressor, and I'm gonna just get that $200 bracket from ICT. But I'm gonna try to clean as much of this up as I can. I wanna completely hide this. What I'm gonna do is take all of these wires, and even the wires from the LS harness, and tuck them under here. I gotta look. Can y'all see? Yeah. I'm gonna probably zip tie it under there. That way it's not visible, you know, when I lift the hood. Cause that shit bothered me seeing all them wires and shit. I did one more thing. I unbolted this battery bracket. It's 5 screws. Cause this shit kinda rusty. I'm gonna take this out and sand it. So I'm gonna have to sand this and paint it to get that rust off. I'm gonna probably relocate the battery to the back. I'm gonna relocate the battery to the trunk. And I'm gonna put the computer right here. I'm gonna put the computer here or over there where that vacuum shit was. One or the other. Like I said, I'm trying to free up as much space in the engine bay as possible. That way it don't look a mess when I open the hood. Update. I'm almost ready to pull this LS out. I went and got this universal lift plate. And this is all my motor mounts and oil pan. Man, it's been a bitch getting this thing all disconnected, but I think I'm pretty much ready to go ahead and take it out. I got the power steering off, engine mounts loose, transmission mount loose, transmission lines loose. I think I got everything, but I'm sure I probably forgot something because I always do. I'm gonna get it probably about an inch or two off the ground or whatever, and just go from there. Hopefully I can get a little recording of me pulling it out. Alright y'all, check this out. We got the that lift plate up in there. We done got it damn near. I forgot to start recording. It takes so much time to record and do this at the same time. But it's coming on out. Let me see. Yeah. I'm gonna have to clean the engine bay up a little bit. I ain't gonna paint it or nothing. I'm gonna just spray it and clean it. I'll pull this joint out. Should have it in there in a few hours, I guess. Alright, we got it out, y'all. It's a 4.8 truck motor. What I'm about to do now is change this oil pan. I ain't gonna do no other mods. No cam, no nothing. Just headers and putting it back into the Caprice. Gonna leave it all stock and then, you know, do all the rest of that shit later if I want to. I'm gonna have to take this belt off, I think. I'm gonna have to take that AC compressor off too, because I'm gonna keep my stock compressor from the Caprice. But finally got this motherfucker off. Got the old oil pan off. We got a little sludge up in there. God damn it, for the focus on the manually control. Yeah, we got a little sludge in there, but fuck it, the motor was running, so we know we good. Now I gotta cut this windage tray. Man, look. It's raining, man. My luck. Got that thing pulled on out of there though. We're gonna get it going. A little rain ain't gonna stop us. Since I missed all the good stuff with the motor, I guess I'll get out a little bit of me trying to clean this engine bay up. I know this ain't what y'all want to see for a swap shit. I don't really have enough time to grab the camera and show every single thing while I'm swapping, especially since it's my first time. What'd you say, the rain stopped? So check this out, we done cut this, can y'all, yeah, y'all can see, we cut this with that damn, what you call it too, man? I'm tired, I can't even think straight. We cut it with the cutters. It's kind of weird looking, but hey, if the shit work, the shit work. I told you I ain't no real mechanic. I just do this shit and I follow along as I go. Goddamn, I think of it as I go. But what we about to do now is put this oil pan on, and we should be good to throw it in the car after that.
Steady.
Alright, y'all, ran into a little issue. Now these seem to be the same mounts on both sides, so that's good news. But you see this ridge here? I seen somebody else run into this problem too. I can't remember who it was. But I'm gonna have to grind down this ridge because the plate is flat. And if I put this on there with that ridge still on there, it's gonna break the plate, the motor mount. So I'm gonna grind this away.
Like night and day.
Now I can just go ahead and put this. It's still kind of hot.
You said it's still kind of hot, cut.
Yeah. It be hot, bro.
Show off your paint job, bro.
Got my paint. Oh, fuck you, nigga.
That's what he come up with after he grind all the coating off.
I don't care, as long as it don't rust, it'll be alright. Shit, if it do rust, it's sitting on aluminum anyway. I doubt it'll rust.
Bro, your camera's so clean when it's focused, bro. Oh my goodness.
You gotta fight with that bitch with the focus. Now I think you do one forward. You know what? No, I'm gonna look. Alright, so we're gonna start from the second hole from the front. This is what Steve Davis said he did, and I'm going off a lot of the things that he said in his videos, but he didn't actually show it, so I'm gonna try to show it to get y'all a view of what's actually going on. Even though you can, you know, use his videos, they're good videos, but he do all his work by himself, so he don't really have
Cameraman.
yeah, camera. Oh damn, I forgot about this. That's gonna hit.
Another thing y'all good get to know.
I have to grind that down or grind this down. Fuck, man. Boy, this car kicking my ass today, I ain't gonna lie to you. Ideally, I would use a cutoff wheel. But since we ain't got one, y'all should know by now. We make do with what we got around here.
Safety glasses look good.
Appreciate it, you know what I'm saying? Courtesy of Halliburton. What they bitch ass. Just barely. Alright, you can see?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all see I grinded down a little bit. It didn't even go all the way through. But it just barely fit. So, it's gonna be kind of tight. Well, no, it's gonna be good. Why they gonna think we live in the hood or something?
So you remember, start from the second hole to the right.
Yeah. Gonna get it done, Bo. We gonna get it done.